Welcome, adventurers. Today, we're diving into the world of Bannerlord and tackling the vexing crashing issues many players face. Let's gear up and get ready to fix these problems. First, let's look at some common culprits that might be causing your game to crash. From outdated software to hardware limitations, understanding these can help pinpoint the issue. Step 1. Ensure your game and graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated software is a frequent source of crashes, so this is a vital check. Step 2. Let's verify the integrity of your game files. On platforms like Steam, this can quickly fix corrupted files that may lead to crashes. Step 3. Adjust your in-game graphics settings. Lowering graphics can help stabilize performance if your hardware is struggling. Step 4. Check that your system meets the minimum requirements. If you're close to the edge, upgrading your hardware might be in order. Step 5. If you're using mods, try disabling them to see if that resolves your crashes. Some mods may not be compatible with the latest game patch. Step 6. Allocate more RAM for the game if possible. You can do this through various methods to enhance performance. Step 7. If you're on Windows, try running the game in compatibility mode. This can help if you're encountering issues due to newer OS versions. In conclusion, following these steps should help you conquer the crashing issues in Bannerlord. For more assistance, be sure to check out the additional resources linked below.